Condemning the recent error committed in the Northeastern Council Draft Vision Document 2047, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, has demanded immediate legal action against those involved in the inclusion of Chin state of Manipur in the said document. The committee warned to launch various forms of hesitation if the authority concerned fails to take any visible action within 5 days. Addressing the media during a press conference, the coordinator of COCOMI, Doctor expressed that inserting Chin state of Manipur in the draft vision document 2047 by NEC is very unfortunate. The committee felt that the balance error was done intentionally, as nowhere in India as Chin state. He continued and said that the mistake committed by NEC created confusion in Manipur's identity. As such, committee termed the incident of including Chin state of Manipur in draft vision document 2047 a direct threat to the indigenous population of Manipur. The state and central government should take legal action against such unacceptable action by forming a committee within 5 days. Otherwise, various forms of agitation will be carried out with the support of the people of the state. Recalling past instances related to the renaming of some significant places of Manipur during a crisis, he said that many confusing instances had happened earlier, but appropriate action was initiated. Be it Trikendrajit Airport in Imphal was mistakenly labelled as Imphal Airport Lamka on airline tickets. There was public condemnation and outrage, but the matter was resolved with just mere clarification without any legal action. Thokchon further alleged and pointed out some instances where Kuki leaders have reportedly coerced indigenous communities such as the Ichumkom, Karam and Aimol near Nambol Laimaram in Bishnupur district to adopt Kuki surnames like Haukip on their other cards. Those who don't follow the instructions have led to the denial of government benefits. He also highlighted the renaming of various locations in More. Some such places are Bajar Lamkai, Premnagar and Hainau Makong have been replaced with Kuki names such as Kuki Molafai, Ngamkai Veng and Jingkin Veng respectively. The committee come across using of a new name in a centrally sponsored scheme called like NFSA. COCOMI consider all these acts as deliberate attempts by some groups, including illegal Kuki immigrants, to destabilize Manipur's identity and existence. The committee resolved that if both the state and central government do not take up any legal proceedings against those involved in these acts, the organization will launch a series of protests he wants. It may be mentioned that the term Chin state of Manipur was notably mentioned in Chapter 3 of the NEC's draft vision document, following a strong objection by Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh to the Union Minister of Development of Northeastern